Here at Hirepool, we've got an extensive range of standard and specialised chainsaws to hire for tackling any trimming or felling project. So let's explore our range and figure out which chainsaw is right for your job. When you hire a chainsaw from Hirepool, you are required to read our instructions for use sheet, which can be found either on our website, attached to your contract, or by scanning the QR code on your equipment's green tag. So please take the time to read it and follow all the safety steps. Our range of chainsaws include both battery and petrol powered models. We carry both still and Husqvarna, however stock will vary from branch to branch. Our battery powered chainsaws are the perfect choice for trimming jobs around the home and cutting up light firewood. This battery powered chainsaw will keep the noise down, is lightweight and compact, making it simple to use in any environment. With a 14-inch to 16-inch bar, this little powerhouse will cut through small to medium-sized branches with no problems. Battery-powered chainsaws are simple to use and don't require a pull start. Simply put the battery in, pull the trigger, and you're away with 40 minutes runtime. Hirepool provides 2 batteries upon hiring, allowing you to keep one on charge while you use the other. The 16 to 18-inch bar Petrol Chainsaw is a good medium-duty chainsaw for domestic and light commercial use. This saw makes light work of cutting firewood and limbing small, medium-sized trees. While this saw is capable of cutting larger sizes, the suggested wood diameter should be no bigger than 14-inch. And if you've got a bigger cutting job, our 20-inch bar Petrol Chainsaw is ideal for medium firewood jobs or medium-sized tree felling. The suggested wood diameter on this saw should be no larger than 18-inch. A good rule of thumb is that you can cut safely up to 2 inches or 50mm less than the bar length. Our range also extends to a 24 to 30-inch bar Petrol Chainsaw, which is the largest saw in our range. This saw is best suited for commercial jobs and is designed for professional use within forestry and big timber harvesting. This saw is better suited for experienced hands. And if you've got some branches that are sitting just out of reach, our battery or petrol powered pole saws are capable of extending to 3.9 meters in length. Hirepool offers a selection of specialised safety equipment for any sawing job. Chaps, which can be hired from Hirepool, are essential for protecting against debris and preventing any incidents. We also carry gloves, goggles and hearing protection for purchase, which are required when operating a chainsaw. And we recommend wearing sturdy footwear and snug fitting clothing. If you have a large amount of wood to cut, ask for an extra chain along with fuel and oil, which your local Hirepool branch can provide. If you're unsure on how to change a chain, we have an instructional video which will walk you through the steps. And finally, you can also watch our chainsaw tips and tricks video for some guidance around how to safely handle and operate your Hirepool chainsaw. So whatever trimming, felling or cutting job you have, Hirepool will have a chainsaw solution to suit every job. And if you need help transporting the wood, Hirepool has a range of trailers, chippers and wood splitters to help you get the job done smarter. If you'd like more information, our friendly Hirepool staff will be happy to answer any of your questions. Hirepool, the smarter hire.